Just watch this transformation unfold. When we talk about O'Fallon family floors, this is exactly the kind of craftsmanship we take pride in. You can see the efficiency in the workflow here. No wasted movements, just a master installer in his element. From prepping the subfloor to racking out the planks and nailing them home, every step is deliberate. It's that perfect balance of speed and precision that makes us reliable. We don't just cover your floors, we build a foundation you can trust for years to come. Call us now, free samples and estimate.